Hey guys, it's me, Blanca. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do kind of like a little mini haul, just showing you guys where I get really nice eyelashes, really nice makeup brushes, and they are super duper affordable than even the drugstore. And whenever I find a website that sells cheap items and they actually are really good, I love sharing them with you guys because makeup can be really expensive nowadays. So if I can help you guys out, then it makes me happy. So everything I mentioned in this video will be listed down below in case you guys are interested in any of these items that I will be mentioning. So the two websites that I'm going to be talking about today is Aliexpress and Shopmissa. So Aliexpress is kind of like Amazon / eBay, except there's no like bidding going on. It's pretty much just a bunch of sellers selling cheap stuff. The only downside is that it does take about a month to get to you, sometimes less, but it's usually around a month. But for me, it doesn't matter and it's worth it because I'm not in a rush to get these products. When you guys see these eyelashes, you are definitely going to just think that the wait is totally worth it because there's no way I'm going to be paying $20 for, you know, those 3D lashes. I would never be able to spend $20 or $30 on a pair of lashes. And then Shopmissa is just a website where they sell everything for $1. They do sell makeup bundles, for example, eyeshadows and highlighters and blushes all together, liquid lipsticks for like $10. But still, you know, it's pretty cheap. It's way cheaper than the drugstore. So if you guys want to see what I got, then go ahead and keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and join the familia. I don't know, I just did this. And yeah, I hope you guys just enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's get right into the video. All right, so what should I do first? Okay, so I think I'm gonna do Shopmissa. Okay, so Shopmissa, I always get my beauty sponges from Shopmissa because they are amazing. They are only $1. They're $1 US, I believe. Oh, I could be wrong, but I'll link it down below. But they're super cheap. So this is what it looks like, and this is by AOA Studio. That's Shopmissa's own makeup line. So I always get their Wonder Blender. It's super soft. So it just looks like this. I get the one that has a slant on the side just because I like using it to set my foundation with setting powder, but they do have the one that looks like the teardrop. This sponge, it's so amazing. It's super soft. When you wet it, it gets super big, and I feel like this is comparable to the Real Techniques beauty sponge. This sponge is just so good, you guys. I definitely recommend it. I always stock up on this, and it's $1. I'm pretty sure it's $1. So I definitely recommend you guys picking this up if you are looking for a nice sponge. I don't even buy the Real Techniques sponge anymore. I always get these ones because they're so good. I also picked up some eyebrow razors from Shopmissa. So they just come in a pack like this. I think I ordered two. I think I opened the other one. I don't know where it is. I don't know if you guys know, but I do get rid of the peach fuzz that's on my face. I started doing that, I believe, last year, and I have a whole video about it. So if you guys want to watch it, I'll link it down below. But I still get a lot of questions on that video asking, you know, if my hair has grown back thicker on my face, and the answer is no. I mean, it does grow back, but it just comes back as peach fuzz, and it just looks exactly like it did before I shaved. And I only shave like once every 2 weeks. It doesn't come back thick or anything like that, but these are the razors that I use. So I definitely recommend these razors if you are thinking about shaving your face and getting rid of the peach fuzz. The reason I get rid of the peach fuzz is because my makeup just looks way better, and yeah, I like it. And I used to be really insecure about the peach fuzz that was on my face, and now I'm not because there's nothing there. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up from Shopmissa, which I have not tried, but it had amazing reviews and a lot of people were saying that this is really good. It's their AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, and I believe it comes in 3 shades. I picked up the one in banana, so I can't wait to try this out to see how it works. I do use my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder But this is pretty expensive, so I wanted a powder that I could use every single day because, I mean, this one is like $40, and so I don't want to be using it every single day. So, like I said, it had pretty good reviews on their website, so I decided to pick that up. Another thing I picked up from Shopmissa is this cute little makeup bag, and it just has coffee, like ice caps all over it and little coffee mugs all over it, and I needed a new makeup bag, so I decided to pick one of these up, and I'm surprised at how big it is, and all of this stuff fits in there. So, well, not that, but definitely check out their little bags. They have a whole bunch of different designs, so you have many to choose from. And the last thing I picked up from Shopmissa is their new AOA Studio makeup brushes. This is a set of 10, and it comes in a nice pink holder like this. These brushes are cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, so they are a little bit wet because I just washed them, and they are a little bit stained because I have used them. And since the bristles are white, I mean, it's kind of obvious it's gonna stain, but I don't mind. These are so good. They blend my eyeshadows flawlessly, so easily. So I'm really loving these, and I'm glad that I picked them up. They're super fluffy, very soft. They just blend my eyeshadow really nicely. So if you guys are looking for a nice brush set, then I definitely recommend these guys. And I like that they came in this holder because if you're traveling, you can just throw all your brushes in here and just close it and throw it in your luggage, and you're all ready to go. Okay, so now it's time for the Aliexpress haul. So I'm super excited about these items because they're just, I just can't believe I scored these at this price. You guys are going to be amazed. Okay, so what should I start off with? Okay, I'll start off with brushes. So I saw these brushes and they had a good review, and these took like a month, maybe a month and a week to get to me. So it did take a while. And I want to do a tutorial using these to see like how good are they. I mean, they look good and they feel good, but it's, you know, it's totally different when you're actually using them. Like, I want to see if they're good or not. So they come in this little sleeve like this. They're so nice and they're super soft and fluffy. I can't believe I got, oh, I guess I should tell you the price. So I got them for, I think it was $6. I'm pretty sure I got them for $6 or $7. I'll have the price right here. I have to look it up. They are super soft. They have just blending brushes, flat brushes, you know, for cutting your crease, and they just feel really soft. But like I said, I haven't tried them out, so I'm curious to see how nice they will apply my eyeshadow. So if you guys want to see me do a look using these makeup brushes, then let me know. So another thing that I got are these, they're called fluid eyeshadows, and they come in a box like this. And I got the number 5 and the number 3, and they are by the company, it says Hang Fang. I don't know. They're just glitters, and it reminded me of the Stila glitter that I used in one of my tutorials recently. I'm going to swatch them for you guys. So that's what they look like. Very glittery, and I wanted to use them for my lid and in my inner corner. And the Stila ones are, I believe, $30, and then these are just $2.50. So if these work amazingly, then I'm gonna just keep buying these. They have other shades as well, so check these guys out. I'm gonna leave it on my hand because I want to see if it'll dry down, because right now it's pretty wet, so I just want to see if it actually dries down on my hand or not, because if it doesn't dry down, then they're no good. So this next item I'm super duper pumped about, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I've always loved, you know, those big fluffy lashes, you know, like House of Lashes, Lily Lashes. Oh, there's so many. So I went on Aliexpress and I just typed in 3D lashes. Oh my god, I was shocked at all the ones that came up, and I swear these companies have got to buy them from here because they look exactly the same. These are all of the lashes that I have purchased. That's what they look like. and they're all I believe they're $3.10, under $4. I'll put the price right here. Thank you. This is what the packaging looks like. Comes in this clear box like this. So this is what these ones look like, and it says the name right here. Aren't they beautiful? These ones are my favorite one. They're very dramatic, very fluffy, and these are the DO5s. And here, let me take them out of the packaging. And they're so fluffy. And they're $3, you guys. I'm going to include the link where I get these down below. The only downside is that it does take about a month to get to you. Every time I get paid, I always buy like 2 or 3. I can wear these. They last me so long. I remember the first pair that I had to have worn them at least 10 times before they, you know, started to fall apart. And I never even washed them one time, and they lasted me so long. I'm wearing very simple ones right now because when I go to work, I don't like to wear, you know, very dramatic ones. These are the AO1s. So if you're looking for some that are not too dramatic, but are going to make your eyelashes look very full, and you just want something to give you a little bit of lift and volume, then I would suggest the AO1s. These are the ones I'm wearing right now, but they are super beautiful. They are sometimes a little bit long, so you just have to cut them at the end. I am so happy I found these. They're stunning. They're so beautiful. So this completes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I kind of helped you guys out. It seems like this glitter has dried down. Oh, it's still a little bit tacky, but not too bad. It's almost dried down completely. Do you guys see that shimmer? It's beautiful. So I hope you guys check some of these products out, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will see you guys next time. Bye.